Hi everyone, this is the Optima Plus after I've fixed it up. I'm just going to be doing a little demonstration of it. If it's not wired to the mains, it's running off a backup battery. So if you're wondering, that's why the power light's not on. And also another downside, well that's not a downside really, is it? Okay. The screw's missing to keep the cover on, but I'm sure I'll have one of them somewhere. Right, so I'm just going to do a little demonstration. Do you know, there's subtle little differences in this panel, just small tiny things. Now I think this is one of the earlier Optimas, because it's got, well, there's certain things are different. I mean, like, for example, here, the chime feature. Some later Optimas don't even have a chime feature, as the chime button was replaced by the memory button. But for example, our house alarm we have now, you need to put a code in to take the alarm on or off of chime. With this one you don't. But anyway, so some things are the same, like setting the system and unsetting the system, only it's not as descriptive on there. And it's got the engineer light, so if I was to take a link out the panel, it'd come up with a fault, and the engineer light would come up saying contact the engineer, something's gone wrong. And here's another thing that's a downside: you can't omit zone 1. And zone 1, exit 1, whatever you want to say. And I'm just looking at my Optima XM4, which is on the wall here, installed, working. It says zone 1, and on here it says exit 1. But anyway, yeah, on the later Optimas you can omit zone 1, but on the earlier Optimas, like this Optima Plus, you can't omit zone 1. So I'll just show you that feature now. So I think the code's 0123 because I've reset it, so it should be. So that's the sound of the alarm setting, telling you to leave. So if I press omit, the omit sounds different. The later Optimas go da 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 da. This one goes beep 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 beep. So if I press 1, it just cancels it. You can't omit zone 1, but you can 2, 3 and 4. So now I could set that, and then the panel would finish counting down. I'll press set again to hurry that up. Now I'm not going to, well, I can't activate the panel because there's no devices connected to it, so I can just put the code in, and that'll bring it back to day mode. And chime mode, so to put things in chime, you press chime, I think you do, I can't remember now all this exactly. Whoa, I nearly took the cover off then. Right, chime, and then whatever you want to chime. So 1, I'm going to have a tamper here, the cover's going to come off. Just put that back. There we go. Right, so I've chimed 1 and 3 and 4, and not zone 2. See, it's reset itself now, you've got to be quick. So, right, it's a downside to not having a screw. Chime 1, 3, 4. Chime. So that's now put them in chime, so if you activated them, the alarm would probably go ding dong. I've not done that yet though, I've not connected anything, so I couldn't tell you, to be honest. So you press chime again to view what devices you've put into chime, and you can't cancel in particular ones. If you want to cancel them, you either cancel them all or cancel none. And to cancel chime or chimes, it's 0. So if I press chime, it tells me what I've currently got in chime, and 0 takes it all out, and reset puts it back in day. So one last feature I can do, which will make the alarm ring, is if I put it into tamper. Now to do this I'll have to remove the front cover, which nearly accidentally happened before. So I'll go ahead and that'll put the alarm into tamper and it'll ring the internal sounder. So I've started to take the cover off and it's gone into alarm's now got a tamper-like lid, so if I reset that, so I'll have to put the cover on. Also, another thing I've noticed, Optima, right, that's the keypad, that's the back of the keypad, and it's made of this funny material. Do you know, it looks quite retro, I like the way this looks, but it's made, they're not proper buttons like the Optima XMs, they're like literally a special type of paper or card that you press, and that's how you press the buttons. But what I have also noticed, now I'll try and get this on, I'm trying to be as quick as I can because the low battery signs come up on my iPad camera. Do you know, I've done this on my backup battery video as well. Sometimes I can't get the covers back on. I must be having a funny moment. Right, that's that in. There we go. So now if I reset that, just presto mate then, reset. Right, and another thing I've noticed is as the other Optimas have proper buttons that you press, it's easier to set the alarm and do things. That other technique is far better, and on this, the keypad is extra sensitive, so that when you press a button on here, like 7, just as an example, it registers, so it's got to be extra sensitive. And the thing is, if you press up here, which isn't the keypad, it's just the top of the panel, it's pressing the number 4, I think, and I know this because if I go chime and press up here, 4 lights up, so it must be chiming 4. So if you press up there, you press number 4, so it's like a secret button in a way. So that's it for today, that's my Optima Plus. Thank you for watching and goodbye.